Hello. Hey, I'm back to work. On my little mini game, right? Just trying to get most of the work up and ready, so that I can then move back on to my project dungeon. So again, my goal is to, aside from working on a main project, which is Project Dungeon, I hope to be able to release one small web game per month, and this is my attempt for the month of October. So as you can see, what I have here is a prototype for a one-touch platformer. So I've got like a few things up since yesterday's stream. For one, uh, the the transparent platform is working, right? Like it toggles between two states. Yeah, I call it the binary block, right? Because it has two states. Right, so if I can fall through it now, that's great. Right, I made a bumper, right, and I put a door here, but the door is not coded yet, so it doesn't do anything. But I'm going to work on that, right? I'm hoping to make some kind of a level transition that will bring me from one level to another. One thing I have to fix is um, character seems to transit to an idle state when I'm hitting the ceiling, so I have to fix that. Shouldn't be a huge problem. Alright, should be able to fix that relatively quickly. Oops, excuse me. Hmm. Just a moment, let me go mute a few things. Alright, okay. Let's see. I need to fix one of the edges. While jumping. Okay. Line 59. Run, okay. 140. Okay, I think it's this one. So I think this is the line that's causing me to switch to an idle state when I'm hitting the ceiling. So I should probably touch floor. Okay, let me look at that. Returns a boolean. Okay. Okay. Place meeting. Ah, right. It's this one, right? Okay. So there has to be a condition here before I can determine that I'm actually touching the floor and not the ceiling. So what's good condition for that? Let me think. Well, I suppose one condition. Wait, let me see. Let me try this. Since the Y position is at the base of the player's feet, should be fine. Y is lesser than lesser. Let me see. Yeah, lesser is correct. The y-axis in this engine is pointed downwards, so going up means headed in the negative direction. Okay, so y lesser than y lesser than. Oh, okay. I need to make some changes. I cannot use place meeting. I need to change it to. I need to change it to instance place. There you go. Hang on. Ah, crap. Dot y. Just give that a shot. Oh, what just happened? Oh my god, it's broken. Okay, it's broken. I broke it. Let's try this instead. Seems better. Seems better. It doesn't do that weird flipping between two states. Okay, I think it's working now. So with that, that means I can work on the level transition. Then I'll try to put together a few more levels and see if I can come up with any new mechanics. It is also entirely likely that I need to implement a camera, right? Because I might want the level to be longer than than the screen can allow. So I'll need a camera for that. Try a few things. Let me try a few things. Where's my spring? Ah, there we go. Spring. Let's see what happens if I put one here. This is just a test level, right? It's kind of like a toy box that I'm playing with. Oh, it doesn't. Yeah, I can't reach it, so that's safe. How many boxes is okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 boxes between springs. Cool. I guess I can do some interesting level design with that. Oh, what? How did that happen? Felt like a bug. Wait a second. How in the world did that happen? It could be caused by a lag actually. Hang on, it could be because the delta time spike, right? Yeah, it could be that because while streaming, my frame rate is actually a little bit on the lower side. So let me clamp the delta time. Let me see. I think it's the delta time. Let me just fix it to 1/60, you know. So it's a constant now, it wouldn't change. Oh my goodness, hang on. There we go. That was weird, yeah. Okay, hang on, let me see. What? What? I am confused. I am confused. Oh, I get it. It's because it's because the bouncing state is triggered at a different time, right? So one fix I can do is I can snap the player's position, player's Y position to where the spring is. I think I can do that. I think I can try that. Let me try. Let me try it out. So, this is one of the few times, one of the few projects where I actually bothered using the events, right, for the collision. Let me see. This one. I am going to snap the Y position of the player to that of the spring. So spring BB box bottom. Okay, there we go. There it goes. That would be the base of the spring. Oh no, I broke it. Okay. How about -1? So I push it up by 1 pixel, so it's not colliding with the floor as well. Eh? No, I broke it. Yeah, I broke it. Hang on. Why is that? The base would be here. Wait, is this other not returning the right value? Let me check something. This other refers to the player. Here it refers to the spring, right? Let me check something. I think I broke it. It's a spring, so this is correct. Yeah, it's broken. It's broken. Why? Oh my goodness. Okay, got it. How about this? Yeah, there we go. So by right, I should never hit the spikes. There has to be this consistency there, otherwise it's going to give a lot of trouble, right, during level design. So it's like almost hitting, but not really. Right, and since I clamped, I locked the delta time, I don't have to worry about it accidentally hitting the spike. But of course, locking the delta time means that you know, if the frame rate is low, right, then things will start moving at things will move slower as well. Seems fine. Seems fine. You see, the funny thing just now was I actually died at the spike, but then there's a transition from death to bounce state. So the the character came back to life. So I should also do this check. Don't know why I name it death instead of dead. Oops. Yep, okay. Okay. Let's do some level transition, I suppose. How should I actually do the level transition? How should I actually do the level transition? Uh, I suppose this is the door, right? Well, you know what? I think I'm just going to draw a circle, right? That eventually will scale up to cover the whole screen. I think that should be fine. I think that should be fine. That should be fine. Wait, but how big should the circle be? Well, I guess the longest possible radius would be the diagonal right across the screen. So I'll just make this the radius, the maximum radius of the circle. Yeah, once the circle reaches this radius is where we go to the next next room, I suppose. So do I have a game manager here? Yes, I have a game manager. What does it do? It creates the collision tiles. Okay, oh, I have yet to optimize this. Okay. Suppose I'll let the game manager do the level transition as well. I will just assume that the next level will be the immediate room right after this one. So it will be based on the room order. So I'll go from init to level 0 to game. Okay. At some point I will have to have I'll need a way to know which one is the last room, right? Also a level selection. Okay, that's a bit of work here and there. Let me just do one thing. Let me just set the GUI layer as well before I forget. I think the transition should be drawn on the GUI layer on top of everything. Yeah. Let me do that. Draw GUI. So I set the resolution there so that I want the circle that appears to be as pixelated as the rest of the game, right? Sharing the same pixel scale. There's a lot of things that I wanted to use the twinning library, TwinGMS, for, but because I heard there's an issue with with GameMaker. There's a bug in GameMaker, GameMaker version 2.3, right, that results in that particular library not working for HTML5. So I will probably not use that for this project. Right, not until GameMaker fix the problem. Or I mean Yo-Yo Game, right? Not until Yo-Yo Game fix the bug. Yeah, okay. Maybe I don't want white color. Let me. What is this color? 204, 201, 220. Just reset the color at the end. Why not? Okay. Oh yeah, I need to know at which position what is the origin, right, of the circle? Origin of the circle. Yo. Guess who's super hyped about learning how to write a Windows patch file at 11 plus PM? Why are you writing a Windows patch file for? Are you trying to I don't know, copy your files to a different directory, or what are you trying to do with it? Automate printing of folder tree struct. Ooh. Oh, that's cool. That's cool. That's cool. You should share what you have when you're done. Let me just put 0 here first. Next Sam, sure. Next Sam is coming in a week's time. What is a good way of interpolating? What is a good way of interpolating a value without using my twin library? Guess I'll do the usual cheating way. Usual cheating way. You don't even have a renderer up yet. Wait, what are you talking about again? Renderer for your own engine? Nice. Well, you have time to work on it, I suppose. Elapse. Elapse will be my T. So elapse is supposed to go from 0 to 1, at 1, at 1, start, go to next room, no, call, room, go to next, there we go. Are you doing OpenGL? Should be OpenGL, right? Since we're in MYP. Yeah. Okay. I guess I'll set it to 0 here as well. Low-key want to learn Vulkan. Sure. Yeah, I mean, just go with OpenGL for now, and once you have something cool, right, you can always explore it. You can always explore in the future. Okay. Oops. Wait a second. Do I want this? Let me look up an easing function. No, maybe I can use that. Easing function, ease out back implementation. ease out. Where's ease out? Huh? Where is ease out? A. Ease out back. I want ease out back. Ease out back. There we go. Can I get the code? How do I get the? Oh no, it's CSS. Oh, math function. Yes, yes. This is what I want. Yes. Okay. Okay. Still link code. Still link code. Is there no power? Can I not do power? Oh, it's got power. I see. Power. I don't need this. If I'm not wrong, X is supposed to go from 0 to 1. Yeah. Okay, that means I can pass elapse in there. Okay. Draw a circle. What's the radius again? Max radius would be should be correct. Okay. Max radius. Blah blah blah. Blah blah blah. I hope I remember how to use this. So what I do is call this function, pass in m elapse. Come on. Multiply by radius. Okay, then I just have to test this out, right? Let me comment this out first. Okay, let me just try to trigger it via mouse click first. mouse press, left mouse press, and start. No, what's it called again? Start level transition. I will start it at the center of the screen, center of the room actually. Whoa, that was fast. What the hell? Is that supposed to work like that? Let me think. Right, so I'm using it correctly. Well, I guess I can slow this down, I suppose. Okay, it's not really that remarkable, yeah, the easing. But I guess that's fine. That's fine. Maybe I shouldn't be using ease out back, since I can't really see that little bit of bounce at the end anyways. Yeah, I think ease out quad would have been better. Let me take a look. Yeah, I think I'll use ease out quad. Much simpler. Let me start it where my mouse is actually. It's a bit slow now, so let me just do this. 1 second for transition. 1 second for transition. Oh, that's good. Awesome. Okay, let me try. Okay, I think I got what I want. Right, now I put this back in, and then I'll write the code for the door. Okay. Yep. Let me check the creation code again. Looks okay. Okay, give me a door. Where's my door? Set the collider. I'm going to make the collider smaller. Something like that. Something like that. Smaller. Okay. 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 Time for the code. me hydrate myself. What class will you be in? Are you in the Monday class or the Tuesday class, by the way? Yeah, for AI. I think I'm only like for your batch, I'm only involved in AI. Tuesday, I see. Oh right, the 8 a.m. class. Oh my god, 8 a.m. 8 a.m. is terrible. Monday class is in the afternoon. I don't remember the time. I think it's either 1 or 2. Ah, okay, there we go. Hang on. Delta time. Global pause. Ah, okay, I implemented this. That's good. Oh, wait. Delta time 2. Okay. Hang on. What's the function again? Start level transition. Okay, time to remove this. Okay. Da, 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 da. Oh lord. Okay, time to see what just happened. It's because I keep calling this. That is why. Okay, fine. Okay. What if I want a bit of... What if I want to draw a second circle? Let me think. 12, 24, 33. Oh, okay. Let me just... Second circle. I guess it works. Yeah, I suppose it works. Oh, it went to the next room as well. Okay. Let me try again. I just want to get an overall feel for the flow. Do this, this. It's a bit fast, isn't it? It's a bit fast. It's a little bit fast. Hang on. It's a little bit fast. Let me just times 0.6. Wait, I didn't see it. Yeah, feels better. Okay, I'll work with this at least for now. Okay, that's the transition done. Transition done. What could be next? What could be next? No, I think the circle is a little bit smooth. Can I make it a little bit more polygonal? Hang on. Can I set the number of sides for a circle? Set circle precision. Let me take a look at what this means. Precision 8, precision 4. Oh, 4 is just a diamond. Let me try precision 8. Uh-huh. Okay, I like this. I like this better than the smooth circle. Okay, okay. What else could I add to? What else could I add to the sandbox here? I mean, to the toy box here. Let me think. What other mechanic can be added? I have a spring. I have spikes. I have this block that switches between two states. I have a one-way platform. Let me think. You know what? I think I can work with this for now, right? Let's see. I might have to code a camera actually. Let me create another child room. Right. Level, another test room. Let's call it level 00, whatever. Okay. I need to change something, hang on. The grid for the player layer should be 1010. Okay. Go back here. Go back here, inherit. Oh wait, I have to reset the grid. Oh, that's terrible. Does it not remember the grid settings? It's fine. Two, three, four, five, six, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 seems fine. Wait a second, I need to make this a much longer level. 960. 3 times the size. Wait a second. No. How do I use this again? There we go. Oops. Just need to make something that keeps going upwards, I think. Oops. Oh, okay. Oh yeah, I need to do a transition back in, right? It's a few things to do. There's a few things I need to do. Let me think. It's in a lot of space. I wonder if 11 blocks is a bit too much. Yeah, maybe it is a bit too much. Maybe not. I need to think about how to do the camera. How should I do it? Maybe just a simple implementation. Simple implementation where the camera is always trying to catch up to the player. Yeah, I need to ponder over this for a bit. Let me do the transition in first. Transition in. I have a transition out to the next level, but I need to transit in from the previous level. So Mm. Do a quick check first. Okay, I broke it. Actually, I don't need these, right? Oh wait, I do. Just do a copy of this and reverse it. This should give me what I need. Get the player's position, and the target state of transition. This one is called transit in. Okay. Did it not work just now? Oh, okay, hang on. Okay, there's a error there because I accidentally have double equal sign. Where is my transition in? What was that? Seems like it's not drawing. Yeah, that's weird. Okay, let me think about it. Why is my background color wrong? Level 00 background color. Please inherit the background color. There we go. Okay. What was I looking at again? Oh yes, transition in is not drawing. Let me take a look at the creation code just in case there's an issue here. Nope, seems fine. Seems fine. That means that the issue is in the code. Really? Oh, okay. Oh my goodness. In, there we go. Okay. It's a problem with copy and pasting. Oh my god, I think I got it wrong. Hang on. I definitely got it wrong. What the hell was that? Okay, I got it wrong. I got it wrong. Transition in. Did I not set the origin? Yes, I did. Okay. None. There you go. Let's try again. Hang on. It's broken. Let me think. What am I doing wrong? M origin 0, M origin 1, blah blah blah. Elapse equals to 0. Okay. to think about this for a bit. Why does it start off so weird? Okay. Okay, fine. Let's do some check. Here. That's weird. Wait a second. What if I do this? There's no difference. But why? Room start. Do this. Record this. Lapse. Okay, let's double check. Yeah, doesn't seem right. Yeah, that's weird. Oh, draw GUI is drawn in a different space, right? So So I need to account for the position of the camera. Okay. It's drawn in a different space. I forgot about that. Camera, get position X, get X, get view X. Okay. Camera X, camera Y. It still doesn't explain why the transition in is not really drawn correctly. It's fine. Okay, camera X. Camera X. Let me think. It's drawn at the bottom. It's drawn at the bottom. Okay. Transition is wrong. Transition is wrong. Transition is wrong. Let me test this thing out. That'll teach me to not make plugins for stuff like transition, right? Every time I need it, I have to redo it. Okay. Hang on, let me clear the screen first. Okay. It's supposed to be 1, but it gave me 0. How does the transition work? Oh, you mean that circle? I'm just drawing circle, right? But I'm making use of an easing function, which is called the ease out quad. Are you familiar with easing functions? The clear? Which clear? What clear do you mean? Oh, I think I got it. Is this one? Eh, no. No. Right, that two circles, right? That two circles, right? I'm trying to fix the transition in. Like my transition in is not working properly. Transition outwards is fine. Right. I'm talking about the circle, right? Hang on. This one, right? This one, right? Yeah. The other one is broken. So that one is done just by drawing two circles at different timing. But I'm making use of an easing function so that the scaling of my circle is not done linearly, because linear interpolation tend to not always look that nice, right? So I make use of an easing function. No, easing is a generic concept. Let me show you. Easing functions. It's not a GML thing. In fact, I took the implementation from a website, right? See, this is the easing function. So let me show you this thing called the easing function cheat sheet. Here it shows all the different way you can implement easing. So this is a ease in sign, as you can see. Usually, linear interpolation means it's a straight line, right? It just goes moving from 0 to 1 at a constant speed, which is the most boring way to interpolate a value. So these are various different easing functions that you can use. So this was ease out sign. The one that I love the most, right, is ease out back. So ease out back is this one. It's nice in that you can see that it exceeds the maximum amount and then it goes back. I like this one a lot. So if you check out my game, right, you always see this movement. I use that for the sword, right? Yeah. But for the sword, right, I am not like using a function per se. I am designing the curve to look like an ease out back. Yeah, so you're right in that sense. Because I love this motion a lot, so I tend to rely on it a lot. So this is the one that I use. Sometimes, right, if you are doing title animation, right, like you interpolate your title into the screen, you can use some really wacky ones like this one. Point. You see that? The bouncing? Yeah, so you can actually use stuff like that. So maybe this is a tip for you, right? In the future, right, if you want to stand out from your classmates, right, you use some of this. Like you check this out, ease out bounce. You click on it, you go all the way down, right? There is the function for you that you can use. So it's very simple. Basically, x, right? X is a value that goes from 0 to 1, right? So actually, I don't usually, right, when I make games, right, I don't actually go in here and then manually take the function. I use this thing called a twin library, which someone has written, which basically does all of this thing, but it's very tightly packaged. It's nicer to use. But I'm not using that twinning library this time around because there's a game maker bug that broke the library. Yeah, which is why I'm doing this manually. Yeah. So you can just go in here, right? And then x, right, is supposed to be a value that is between 0 and 1. Yeah. So 0 means the start of the animation. 1 means the end of the animation. And when you pass that in, right, this function will give you the modified value of the which is also between 0 and 1. So you use that one instead of your own like time. Yeah. So which is why, right, you see I have this elapse, right, which is t lah, right, which is incremented by the delta time, but I scale the delta time a bit here to control the speed. but you can see that this is the time, right? And then I use the time inside the easing function, which gives me a modified time that I then use to draw the circle, which is why the circle, right, when it grows, right, is growing at a non-linear speed. Yeah, so this is a trick that you can use to stand out from other people. Yeah, I highly suggest you check it out. Right, easing. These are a whole list for you to look out for. Yeah, but I just want to emphasize that this is my favorite. I use this a lot. It's very versatile. It's Outback. Yeah. It's alternating between East Outback and East Inback, right? So East Outback means it starts fast and then ends slow, right? East Inback means it's the opposite. It starts slow and then ends fast. So in and out has that meaning. Yeah. So now I'm just trying to fix my transition in. My transition in is broken. I think I make a simple logic bug, but I'm not like catching it. It needs more juice. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, you want juice, right? You look at easing functions. It's very good. Guaranteed, guaranteed. Definitely check it out. I maybe you can do that as a side project, right? Go write your own easing library. Yeah. It's good stuff. Okay, now I need to check out why my transition in is broken. Why Why is it broken? Maybe I don't draw two circles. Take this out. Let's try one circle first. My transition in is broken, out is working. It must be a careless mistake somewhere. Okay, after I'm done interpolating, I unpause, set it to stop transition. Oh yeah, let me just paste the link here. You're welcome. clear. Okay. It's not supposed to wait, starting from 0 is correct. But I did a 1 minus, right? 1 minus, so it should give me 1, right? Why is it giving me the wrong value? Clear. Die. Oh, okay, this is correct. But why does it start at 0? It should not be starting at 0. It should not be starting at 0. There's a lot of weirdness here. One minus. Okay, I need to do another check. Plus string elapse. Oops, let me clear the screen first. Okay. Seems fine. Except for the first. Oh, okay, hang on. This one is output by something else. Right, okay. Okay, 1 is correct. Okay, this is correct. 1 and 0. Okay, it's inversely proportionate. It's inverse of each other, so so I'm supposed to draw a big circle first, and then it gets smaller, right? Why is it going the other way around? Why is it going the other way around? Is out quad. One minus. wait, I need to clear this first. Why is my transition in completely wrong? It's negative. It's a negative value. Really? Holy crap, it's negative. Oh my bloody god. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I forgot my bracket. Oh my god. Okay, I got it. Oh my god. I made an error with regards to operator precedence. Oh my goodness. Cannot believe it. There we go. I do not like the transition in. Tad too slow. Hang on. I think I need another one for transition in because of the way I'm doing things. Oh, or not. Hang on. Maybe. No. Okay, I need another one. Is out quad, is in quad, thank you. Oh, is in quad is just x square. Haha. Why not? Is in quad is just x square. Ooh, that was too fast. Too fast. Times 0.6. Oh, okay. I need to rethink how to do the restart. Also, why did it take so long to... Why did that take so long? Holy crap, that's a long time. Alright, because it's waiting for more than a second. Okay, I'll just do some ugly coding. Maybe I should not be doing this. Right, the moment. Let me see. Current radius. Screw it, I'll just do this. Point distance. PX, PY. Top right. Cam X, Cam Y. No. Wait a second, didn't I have some util functions? Let me check. I thought I have some utility functions. Oh yeah, I think I have it. Get screen left and get screen. Yeah, I have it. Ah, good. Okay, then I don't have to do that. All that stuff. All this stuff I don't have to do. Perfect. Okay. So... Wait, no. Do I? Okay. Hang on. Get screen left. Get screen top. get screen right, get screen top. Bottom right, get screen right, get screen bottom. Let me check the implementation, see if it's correct. Okay, this is the right implementation. Bottom left. Still need to do it for this. Ooh, I broke it. PY. Ah, of course. Oh no! Broke it, I broke it. Let me think. Really? Oh, of course, should do the increment after, right? So that it gets rendered to the screen at least. Okay, okay. Let's try this. I broke it. I ended the transition too early. Seems fine. Seems fine. Current radius. Oh wait, it should not be an OR. Okay, time to reduce this as well. Max radius. Okay, hang on, how many parameters, how many arguments can I put in max? Okay, variable number, good. So what I need to do, instead of max radius, I'll do a start radius, I guess. Start radius equals to, I'll just put 1000 first, but I will change it. I will change it. I will change it. How? I'll change it here. Start radius is get optimal radius for transition in circle. Ugliness. Yes, time for some ugliness. Px and py. Hang on. And I need it done quick, in less than a second, times 2. There we go. Let's make it slightly bigger. Hang on, let me think. Let's make it slightly bigger. Where is it again? From start. Times equals to 1.1. Okay. Let's try again, see if this, see if this transition is okay. I still don't know what to do for the transition for restarting. Yeah, I think I like this transition. Alright. Okay, transit out, transit in. There you go. I think I like this. But the problem is when I lose, right, there's this transition that may not be good. So I might want to set conditions on not triggering the transition, right, if it's restarting. Yeah, I might want to do that. Oops. Yeah, but as for transitioning between out of the level and into the level seems to be fine. Right. Again. Hoi. Out. In. Yeah, seems good. Out. In. There we go. Hello. Hello, what's up? Just working on a tiny side project. So previously I was working on Project Dungeon, right, which is a dungeon crawler. I was working on the combat, then I decided to take a short break to work on a tiny project that I can finish in just a few days. So what I have here is a one-touch platformer. This game, there is no name yet. I don't know what to call it. Because I started this project yesterday. I have no idea what to call this. Right, I call it October's October's mini game. For now. Yeah, but it's a one-touch platformer. Right, it's a little critter, right? It's a little critter that you control, right? It's supposed to escape from something. No idea what, but yeah. Thanks. So this is just a toy box that I've been playing around with, right? I've been trying out like different mechanics. So I want to keep this project simple. So I have the usual mechanics like spikes, a bumper. I have this block that keeps switching between two different states. Right, kind of like in Mario, when you jump, right, the block changes states. And yeah, and I have a one-way platform. So the idea is you just need to view your environment and then you time your jump so that you can proceed to the next level. Yeah, what should I do? An RPG. I know who you are now. Come on, Lucius. I know who you are now. Big brain. Yeah. No, just trying to do up most of the project so that I can finish this in time. Yeah, but as you can see, I was working on the transition. It took me a little while to get it to look good. Right. I was struggling with a bug earlier, but it turns out it was just careless mistake. Okay, let me just try again. Do you have any suggestions on like what kind of mechanics I can add? How many levels? I have 0 levels. These are all test level. This is a test level. I don't have a proper level. But my intention is to make like 100 lah. So basically, if I make like 2 or 3 levels a day until the end of the month, maybe 2 or 3 is enough. Maybe not, but if I make 5 levels every day, then yeah, I think I can finish this project. This is supposed to be a small project, right? Like my main project is still Project Dungeon. It's supposed to be like my intention is for it to be a web game, right? So let me try it if it builds to the web properly. I hope it does. If it does not, I'm screwed. Let me try. I hope it builds to the web properly. Oh no, it's lagging. Hang on, I need to use Firefox. Firefox. Oh my god, it's lagging so bad. Hang on. Not now. Come on. Seems fine. Oh, why is it so blurry? I have to fix that. Seems fine. Seems oh, crap. Okay. It's weird that it's blurry. Why is it blurry? Okay, that means I need to check out platform settings. Let me check. Platform settings. Yeah, things tend to be a bit laggy when I'm streaming. Delete sequence. No, I'll keep sequences. Platform settings is here. HTML5. There we go. Why is this turned on? Interpolate colors between pixels. Turn it off. Okay. Yeah, anyways, I will just test it on Windows first. Whew. Yeah, if you have any suggestions on what kind of mechanic I should implement, just feel free to shout it out. When you die, you leave your body to use. Oh, okay. That's cool. I've seen that mechanic before, but it's a cool mechanic. I'll keep that idea in mind for now. Alright, it might be out of the scope for this small project, but it's a cool idea nonetheless. Okay. Okay, I've done transition. I think it's time to do camera movement. Camera movement. When you die, you leave your body to use. Yeah, that seems like an interesting mechanic. I think there's this game where you play as a bear, right? And it's a super difficult level. It's a super difficult game, and I think each time you die, your body acts as a platform. I forgot what's the name of that game. There's a couple of games like that actually, if I'm not wrong. You have... Oh yeah, today is Friday. Awesome. I was gonna ask, do you have work tomorrow? But yeah. TGIF. I don't know how I should implement my camera actually. How should I implement my camera? Camera. I don't know. Player here. How should I implement my camera? I need to think about this for a bit. How should I implement it? Okay, I think I know. I will do a naive one. Naive camera, here I come. Call it follow cam. In fact, I want to see if I can do camera shake. So where is my camera utilities? Camera utilities. There we go. Cameraman. I will create it here. Cameraman. Push box on switch. Oh, okay. Push box to block laser. Actually, good ideas. Of course, the character moves automatically. So let me see, what does that mean for pushing off blocks? Just copy Porter. Oh, Porter, right? Porter. I can implement portals, right? Player don't change direction when touch box. Oh, right. Okay. I'll think about that one. So the goal for this small project is to publish it on Poki.com. Yeah. So because I released a small game there, right? It's game called Train Top Mania, right? And they say that I should make more, right? So yeah, I thought that's a good idea. So I have this side project to make more web games. Yeah. But yeah, implementing portals would actually be quite interesting. I love Portals. I think Portal is like one of the best game ever. Okay, cameraman is here. Room. I need to make sure I'm inheriting. Okay, good. I'm inheriting all the stuff. Am I inheriting this? Okay, good. Good. Okay, let's make the camera shake when I die. Camera shaking. Camera shake. Camera shake. Where is camera shake? Okay, so when I die, I shake my camera. 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 What happened to the autocomplete? How weird. Okay, never mind. Camera shake. Intensity 0.0075. There we go. Sorry? Talking about camera? Yeah, I'm talking about camera now. I'm trying to check if my camera shaking code is working. Lights flickering so you can't see the level most of the time. Hey, I like that. You know what? I'm going to write down some of the stuff that I probably can implement that is not too out of the scope. So, light flickering is good. Light flicker is good. Portal maybe, right? Pushing box maybe, but I might not implement it because it changed the pace of the game. Right? Because I want the game to constantly flow very fast, but the moment you put in a strong puzzle element, it slows the game down. Let me think. But it's not impossible, so I'll still consider it. Light flicker, portal, pushing box. Yeah. Laser, you say laser. Laser. I like the light flickering thing though. Because you have to remember where the platforms are, right? It sounds good. Okay. That sounds good. You know, because like I'm streaming, right? The frame rate is always like kinda low. So I'm not actually playing it at the correct speed. I'm not actually playing at the correct speed, so that might mess up some of my balancing later. Oh no, what happened? Crap, I broke it. I broke something. Never mind, let me test the camera shake first. Camera shake, okay. Die. Oh yeah, yeah, I see camera shaking, but it's too weak. Let me try this. Yep, that's better. That's better. Ugh. How about I make one mechanic for each of the 100 level, like blue elephant. Oh, the blue elephant game. The blue elephant game is the random one, right? Like you have to guess like what's the current mechanic. Maybe, but maybe. But I kind of want to make something that tests your reflexes, though. Basically, the type that you hate. One mechanic for each of the. One mechanic for each level might be a bit much because the player might not have the leeway to ease themselves into a mechanic. Because usually, right, to fully explore a mechanic, you probably need like more than a level. Right, I think I need a few levels just to teach the jumping. Like for instance, you can hold jump, right? So you can jump very high, but you can also do hopping. So I think like if a casual gamer might not actually get it, you know. So like we have to think about how to teach them through level design. So I think I learned this the hard way. Like I was showing serious scramblers to a relative, and you would assume that the controls is fairly intuitive, right? Because you hold left, right, the character walks left. You hold right, the character walks right. But they don't know, you know. They just keep tapping the screen. So instead of holding down and make the character move right, they just keep tapping and tapping. So the character is just walking one step at a time, and it's a bit weird, lah. Yeah. So there's certain things that that we often take for granted, but it turns out that even the simplest controls we have to figure out a way to teach. When you tap while jumping, you ground pound. Oh, maybe ground pound. Yeah, I think when I run out of mechanics, I can try ground pound. Ground pound. Actually, ground pound is a good idea. That gives the player more move, right, instead of just jumping. Yeah, that's a good idea. That's a good idea. Ground pound. Or you can stop your momentum while jumping. Yeah. Right, that gives more. That means we have more level design possibilities, right? That's a good idea, actually. Yeah, that's a good idea. Okay. Yeah, I'll keep that in mind. Right. If it's something that I can implement within October, then I will probably try it. Oh, my level transition spoiled already. I don't know what's going on here. What? How did it get? How did I break it? Yeah, I like the ground pound idea. Ground pound. I might want some sections where it's like a auto playing platformer, right? Where you just go from spring to spring. Okay. Time to see why the level is broken. Why am I like not here? Oh, okay. It's because of the camera manager. Got it. It's the camera manager's fault. Oh, cameraman. Camera manager. Pause export. Am I using pause X and pause Y? Yes. Don't know why I'm using pause X and pause Y instead of X and Y. I think I'll change it. So pause X becomes X. Pause Y becomes Y. Yep. Yep. Are you playing anything over the weekend? Genshin Impact maybe? Oh, you quit already? How come? That was fast. Why? Is it because it reminds you of Breath of the Wilds? No time and gacha. Ah, I see. No time is right lah, since you just started your internship. But the gacha doesn't matter, right? Even if you don't have the best character, you can still play the game, right? Right, the combat seems fun enough. Seems that way lah. I haven't played, so I can't say for sure. Right, is the combat not fun? Yeah, but free characters are trash. I see. I mean, even if they're weak, it's fine, right? The combat just have to be fun. Or unless you're saying that the free characters are not fun. Oh, I see. Ah, okay. My transition is working. Whee! I might give it a try, right? Just to see what the hype is about, and then I'll probably stop. Or I'll just replay Breath of the Wilds. I don't know, whichever lah, whichever. I think I've gotten to the point where I'm fairly satisfied with how things flow. So, yeah. So I'll do the camera and then I'll call it a night. Where's my camera? Where's my camera? Okay. Do camera and then I can have a break. Camera. Problem is I don't know what to do for the camera. If global.pause. I can copy Celeste. Oh, the dashing, is it? The dashing? Copy Celeste. Actually, now that you talk about Celeste, it reminds me of... I'm suddenly reminded of screen wrapping, so I might implement screen wrapping again. The reset thing. The reset. I don't know, what's the reset thing? It's been a while since I last played Celeste. The reset thing. Oh, yeah, that's a good one actually. That's a good one. But I don't have a dashing mechanic. I don't know if I want to implement a dashing mechanic because the level is too small. The level is kind of small. Reset the jump. Also, you can jump again in the air, is it? Chain jump. Okay, you know what? Let me write chain jump. Chain jump. Yeah, I might be able to consider this. So this is the idea sheet. It's really dependent on the scope of the project, on how much can make it into the game. But I'm liking these two, these three. Maybe this one also. Things that basically mechanics that expand upon the platforming itself, I quite like, right? So ground pound, it adds an element of timing, right? Like flickering means it's expanding upon the spatial awareness. What do you call that? Yeah, spatial awareness, I guess. Screen wrapping also. Chain jump is nice, right? You expand upon the jumping. Yeah. This one could be a cool one-off thing, yeah, but I don't see it being a key mechanic that I will use over and over again. Yeah. But these are nice. This is nice. This is nice. Breaking blocks so you can't turn around and walk. Oh yeah. Yeah. That's a good one. That's one of the first one I should implement then. Breaking blocks. That's a good one. It's a one-way journey. Okay. Time to do this. If pause, I exit. Okay. Follow the player. I will always assume that the player is available in the scene. Assume player is always around. In the room. Okay, there you go. Things that rotate the level when you touch. Oh, I think that one a bit too much. A bit too much in that I might have to re-implement like the way the physics work. Yeah, the platformer controls all of this. I have to change a bit. Oh, but flipping gravity maybe I can do that. Flipping gravity. Maybe. Can't say for sure yet. Yeah, exactly. 6Vs, right? 6V is so good. You know, when I was in DigiPen, right? The first project that we worked on, right? It's a platformer that flips gravity. So back then, right, we were like, hey, let's do something unique, right? Let's play a platformer where you can play. Let's make a platformer where you can play upside down. And we thought that it's a new and innovative idea. Turns out it's not even close. Someone has already made it. Right, 6Vs. Oh, it's so good though, right? It's not punishing, right? Because even if you touch the spike, right, you just respawn next. You just respawn very close to it. Yeah, but I can understand the anxiety. As a particular trophy that is super difficult to get because the entire wall is like lined with spikes. Yeah. Good times though. I like the game a lot. Switch that slow down and speed up. Oh, okay. Okay. Speed manipulation. Okay. I already have a, excuse me, I already have a variable to control the game speed. So maybe that one I can try it out. A lot of times, right, these kind of things takes a long time because like implementing it is one thing, right? Like implement a certain mechanic usually don't take too long, but it's the trial and error, right? Getting it to feel good that takes forever. Yeah, it's always like that. Follow the player. Okay. O underscore cameraman dot y plus equal target position is player dot y. I'm just going to hardcode everything. 20, 40, everything. Target position is this. Okay, I'll just write down the target position. Target pos. Target pos y. Okay, last equal this minus the original position, some very basic tweening, global dot delta time times this. Let's have a speed, follow speed, I'll set it to 10. 10. So like that. Okay, and then I will instantiate follow camera, and I will check if the child rooms have it or not. Yes. Okay. Oh no, I broke it. It's broken. Okay, anyways, I know. I forgot to handle a few things. But in any case, camera half height is equals to get screen. Oh goodness. Camera get view with view camera 0 divided by times 0.5. There we go. So camera half height. That means I need to oh no, brain not working. Let me think. Here, like that. Yes. But it's still not going to be working properly. But at least you will be looking at the right place. Oh my goodness, I'm going to puke. going to puke. Let's move it a bit slower. Oh wait, but it's also because of the low frame rate, right? Okay. Oh, it's terrible. Ooh. I feel like when it bounces, right, I shouldn't be following. M target pause Y. Yeah, I think. Oh, an enemy that shoots you 3 times, then reload. Okay. Enemy. Enemy periodically shooting at you. There we go. Ninja that falls from the sky. Okay, no thanks. That's out of scope already. Ninja that falls from the sky. It's like from another game. Train Top Mania reference. Maybe. I'll see. Not equals to bounce state. Let's try this out. Few things to fix for the camera. The enemy that shoots you 3 times then reload is it's from Train Top Mania. Oh yeah, I totally forgot about that. Oh yeah. Oh, cannot. It's terrible. Let me take this out. Okay. Level 100, you fight Yellow Gear. Yellow Gear. Yellow Gear is like a throwaway project. I made for a jam for fun only. I remember the theme was like called boss fight, if I'm not wrong. I think I need to move the camera slower. Otherwise I'm going to puke. You dodge his bullets for a while while running towards him. Yeah. Let me see if it helps if I remove this. Would it feel smoother, the camera? You reach him, you press a button and he Bowser dies. How do you Bowser die? Oh, it actually feels smoother now. Interesting. Let me test it out again. Okay, I need to put like an anchor point for the camera. Bowser, okay, in Mario you press the button. Oh, right. You press the X, right? You take the X and the bridge will just collapse. Yeah. Good old Mario. Good old Mario. Clamp camera position. I need to make something that indicates where the camera will stop at the top. So top. Level 100, you go through a super long level with everything you learn. Yeah, that'll be good. That will actually be good. It's kind of like the final level in Scramblers. Draw a line. There we go. Resize it to 1. Oh no. Crap. Resize. There we go. Yeah, it's gone again. There we go. Scramblers cause your anxiety issues. I watched someone play Scramblers on Twitch just recently. Yeah, you can tell it does. It's semi rage inducing. It can trigger anxiety, I suppose. Yeah, I like that stream a lot because when you see the streamer, right, when each time he tries to make it to the next platform, right, his entire body will swing to that direction. So you can tell he's immersed, right, in that moment. So I like that. Should make chill games like RPG is not chill. Even if it's chill for the player, it's most definitely not chill for the developer. RPG is so stressful, man, to make, to develop. You have to worry about the balancing also. Yeah, that reminds me of the when we made Space Jack. You know, the mechanics in Space Jack, right? Most of the mechanic was done in 1 month. Then we spent 1 year just polishing and tweaking the balance. Right, the balance was super broken at the beginning, so much so that we thought like the game was like just terrible, right? Because it's either too difficult or it was too difficult at first and suddenly it becomes super easy, right? It's so difficult to get the balancing right until so much later. My brother is not making an RPG, he's making a tactics game. Card-based tactics. Yeah, that one looks cool, right? It's starting to look pretty cool. Content-wise, it's still some way off though, right? So we'll see how it goes. Yeah, but that's not an RPG, that's a tactics. And you can tell, right, making a tactics game is already taking so long. So if I'm making a tactics game, that would be the main project rather than a side project. Side project has to be a small project. Where was I again? What was I doing? Oh yeah. Object. Okay. World top. Should be called level top actually, but screw it. World top. There we go. So I'll place it here. Oh, I can't even see it. Okay, it's here. I think I need to make it a bit bigger. Resize 2. Oh, is it actually 2? Oh yeah, it is. Perfect. Wow, you want to help me make level? But I shouldn't do that though. That's like free labor. That's not good. That's not good. Yeah, but yeah, it would be nice though to have someone to help me make level. But I don't have a level editor. The level editor is in the game maker itself. That's a good idea. I mean, in the future, maybe I will be able to make a level editor. In future lah. In future. What did I want to make again? Oh yeah, this one. There's this program called Tiled. Tiled. Right? I think there are some people who design a level in Tiled first and then they import it into GameMaker. So that is also another way. Some people like to do that. Level 0, 0. Why would you want to make a why would you want to make a why would you want to design a platforming level though? I thought you hate it. Making level is fun. Ah, I see. That is true. That is true. Okay, finally, time to clamp the camera position. So the bottom, bottom. You've never finished a Mario game? Yeah, I mean, a lot of people play Mario game, but finishing it is a different matter. Right? Finishing it is a different matter. I've never finished the first Mario Brothers, to be honest. Oh, yeah, the RPGs are good. The Super Mario RPG on the Super Nintendo, that was awesome. That was made by Squaresoft, right? Which is, now it's called Square Enix, but you know, back then they were called Squaresoft. That was cool. That was pre-merger, right? Before Squaresoft merged with another company. Good game. And then there was Paper Mario is good. Paper Mario Thousand Years Door, that was good. What's the another? The Mario and Luigi Superstar Saga was good. Yeah, those are all good. Mario and Luigi Superstar Saga. Actually, I can just clamp it here, right? Clamp to bottom is room height. Minus room height minus camera half height. What if for the next 4 fighters in Smash they add Baby Mario, Baby Luigi? Well, I hope not, man. I hope not. Baby Mario is not even like a essential character, right? I mean, in Yoshi's Island, that was like Yoshi is the star, right? Baby Mario is just the driver of the plot. I mean, if no Baby Mario, then no Big Brain Mario, sure. I don't know who will be next. I mean, no one was expecting Minecraft, so what do you think is next? What could be next? It's crazy, right? Rex. Rex. Why do you like Rex so much? Rex is the better show. I don't know, man. I haven't played the first what's that game again? Xenoblade Chronicles. I haven't played the first one. I played the second one. I think it was okay. I think the story is like pretty weak. IMO. Or maybe the story isn't pretty weak, it's just the way they tell the story doesn't gel well with me. Among Us. No, it cannot be because the roster has been decided a long time ago. So Among Us only got popular recently, so it cannot be Among Us. Oh no, I broke it. Crap. Let me think. If only, right? You know, if that day comes, it means I've made it. But I mean, so many successful developers don't even get in there. Undertale is an exception. Cuphead is another exception. One can dream, right? One can dream. Okay, let's see. Do you know there's an indie version of Smash? But it turns out the game wasn't that good. It's unfortunate. No. Like literally, it was on the Switch. Let me look it up. Hang on. Indie Smash Bros. It's called Bounty Battle. Bounty battle. Let me type it out. Bounty battle. Right, it turns out that the review wasn't that good. It's unfortunate. You watching the trailer? Oh, you saw the trailer before. I see. Okay. I need to try something. Dead Cells, yeah, exactly right. Dead Cells and Blasphemous. It looks really cool, right? The trailer. Yeah. Why is my camera broken? Okay, let me try again. So that is where the camera is targeting. Okay. Okay, yeah, this part is broken, yeah? Hang on. Brain isn't working. Why did it go all the way up here? I need to sing. Hang on, let me think. Brain is not working. Room height minus. Okay, I need to draw this. See what it is. Draw set. Can I color? Color C red. Okay, perfect. Then this camera half height. This I will draw as yellow. Just trying to see why my camera is not working properly. Again, it's probably a logical bug somewhere, right? That, oh, it broke. What did I do? Oh, okay. Okay. Camera half height is here. Okay, why Is it all the way below? Wait, yellow. Oh, okay. That's the lowest position you can go. Camera half height. That does not look like a half height to me. Because it's not a half height. Oh my god. Okay. It's a weave. Okay, there we go. There we go. There we go. Yakuza for the next. I don't see that happening. I don't see Kiryu. What's his name again? Kiryu Kazuma, right? I forgot his name. Yeah, I don't see him being in Smash. I don't know. I mean, how about Astral Chain? It could be Astral Chain, right? Could be Astral Chain in Smash. Oh my god, I broke it again. It's worse now. Is Astral Chain even that relevant? It is a Nintendo exclusive, so maybe? Maybe? I think it sold pretty well, right? I think it sold pretty well. I'm not super sure. Yeah, actually same. I have not finished the game either. I got to a later part of the game and then I just kind of stopped because I was busy, right? And then I never got back to it because I've forgotten how to play it already. Yeah. Got too busy. I tried playing Paper Mario. What's that? Paper Mario. Wait, what's the latest Paper Mario game? Origami King, right? Also couldn't finish it. I think the combat wasn't that fun. So these days I cannot finish games, I realize. I managed to get the Mario 3D All Stars though. That one is good. I still haven't finished. Oh wait, play an RPG? No. If I play an RPG, I will not be able to finish it. And I realize I'm not a fan of JRPG. I realize. I tried playing Tales. I tried playing Tales of what's it called again? Tales of something, I forgot already. The one on Switch. Xperia, is it? No, not Berseria. The other one. The one with a long hair guy protagonist. Yeah, I couldn't finish it also. I found it so boring. Even though like I really love Tales of Symphonia, right, when I was in poly. I thought I would like this one, and yeah, I found it so boring. Vesperia, yeah, that one, Vesperia. Xenoblade 2, I actually finished it. Yeah, I finished Xenoblade 2. Like, I kind of like the combat, but I'm not a fan of the way they tell the story. I'm not a fan of the dialogue. Yeah, it's very corny. Yeah, I mean, sure, the voice acting is fine. It's the writing that I'm not a fan of. Excuse me. Do you play Xenoblade 2? Shin Megami Tensei, I haven't had a chance to play. I'm waiting for Persona 3 to make it to Steam, then I'll probably play it. Yeah, but aside from Xenoblade 2, right? I wasn't able to like enjoy any JRPG. Yeah. Persona 4. I want to try 3 first. I want to try number 3 first. because I actually started 3, right? On the PS2. Yeah, I know. But I started 3 already, so and the assumption is that each series will be better than the last. Each game will be better than the last, right? In the series. So I want to start with the earlier one first. Yeah. So I actually played 3 for like an hour. Yeah, and I found it quite fun. Quite interesting. Quite interesting. Like I wouldn't say I've gotten to the truly fun part yet, right? But what is there, right, is good enough to hook me. Then I played that when I was in the States, in the United States. So then I came back to Singapore. I plugged my PS2 into the power socket, and then within an hour of playing, right, the whole thing fried. So then I cannot play the game anymore. Yeah. I even got the FF10. Right, I played a bit of it. I don't like it. Yeah. I can't stand the dubbing. Right, I cannot stand the scene where Tidus was like ha ha ha. I hate it. I hate it so much. I couldn't stand it. FF7 or 6. I haven't played FF7 nor 6. In the future, perhaps. In the future. Those are the best, huh? Right. Yeah. 6 is the steampunk one, right? FF6. I've heard a lot of good things about it. Yeah, there are people who sing the praise of Chrono Trigger as well. Right, Chrono Trigger. 6 is insane. Wow. Oh, I know. I have like part of the story spoiled for me already. 6 is where halfway through the game you basically lose to the bad guy, right? You lose to a clown, I think. Yeah. Cool stuff. That's cool. I think one day I will try it. Cowboy is best boy. Yeah. Okay, why is this broken? Follow speed times time. Oh, of course. Of course. How can you play Animal Crossing but you can't play JRPG? Well, Animal Crossing is you play at your own leisure. Oh, it's even worse now. You play at your own leisure, right? No stress whatsoever. Animal Crossing. It's like a completely different genre. No, I mean, my biggest gripe with JRPG in general is the very in your face dialogue. Like I most of the time I hated the writing. I'm not a fan of it. Just skip. Then what's the point of playing, right? What's the point? You know, when I play a game, right, I want complete immersion. Yeah, I want complete immersion. Same for when I watch a movie, which is always super annoying, right? When I watch a movie, right, then you can hear someone talking, right? It always breaks the immersion. So same thing, right? When I play a game, I want like complete immersion. Turn off your brain and grind. I don't really enjoy grinding though. For some reason, I cannot get into grinding. Sure. Sure. I think my brain is fried. I keep staring at this, but I cannot see what's wrong with my code. It's a very small logic problem, but I cannot see the problem. Are you gonna be teaching at RP again soon? Yeah, but I don't know what I'm teaching. Yeah, definitely. Probably C sharp, I think, for the year ones. Probably C sharp. I don't know if there's another module I have to teach. I'm secretly hoping that I only have one module this sem, so I have more time to make my game. Right, because I already am teaching at MYP. Okay, let's see. Player.y minus 40. Oh, my brain is not working. No teach MYP. Why not? I mean, it's very different, you know. Like the focus is very different. It's not like I'm teaching the same thing at both schools. It's very, very different. MYP is more centered around computer science concepts, which means that I have to actually do revision, right? RP more fun. And the RP environment is definitely a lot more different. There's a lot more intimacy, I think, in RP. Whereas MYP sometimes feels more like a transaction of knowledge, that's it. Yeah, but a different style, very different style. Different style. I'm not going to make any judgment on which one is better. It's just a different style. Yeah, MYP so serious, right? Yeah. But I actually want RP to teach more technical stuff, because that will help you a lot also, right? They will help all of you a lot after you graduate. I mean, the design stuff is definitely important, sure, but having more technical expertise will allow you to implement your own design, right? That is good too. Yeah, but it would be better if the school integrate that into the curriculum. That's just my opinion, my personal opinion. Yeah. I think that's why recently there's been a push, right, to use more Unity, right? No. I'm a part timer, right? And in order to retain my status as a struggling indie developer, I cannot go full time. Because the moment you go full time, right, you cannot work on your own thing. I think, right? It's part of the contract. So it's a fear, right? It's a fear that I have, right? If I go full time, then I cannot make my own games anymore, and that's terrible. Why is this code not working, huh? I heard RP is going to do some VR stuff soon. That would be cool, right? Room height minus camera half height. Oh my god, I'm staring at this line, but my brain is not working. Okay, let me see. Room height. Make a rhythm game level. Oh, rhythm game is so hard to pull off, man. Like, how do you sync up the beats with the well, you know, with the player section or with the level design? That's a bit difficult. No music, just level. What do you mean? What kind of level would that be? You mean like the Geometry Dash? Oh, idea. I guess I can try that. Can try that, but it's going to be a rage-inducing level. This is embarrassing. I stare at this and I don't know what's wrong. Yeah, I know, right? If you do it correctly, it spends dopamine. But I feel like the music is a huge part of it, though. So without music, I'm not sure. I'm not sure how good it will feel. Room height minus camera half height. Blah 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 blah. Crap! I want to fix this so I can go and have a break. Room height minus. But my brain is not thinking anymore. Room height minus camera half height. Room height minus camera half height. Okay. Why is the yellow so... Why is the yellow stuff here? Room height minus... Oh, of course. Yeah. Okay. Get this done so I can go back to Project Dungeon tomorrow. Yeah. Okay, so this is the middle portion. Crap. Okay. Go. Okay, this is broken, right? I don't get why it's broken. Why is it broken? This is the base of the level. This is the base of the level. Should be correct. Yeah, I'm using two monitors. How do you know? Oh, is it because my head keeps moving left and right? Oh crap. The face tracking. I show you something. You know, because the lighting in my room is not very good, especially during the night time. There's some issue with face tracking. But if I take off my spectacles, right? Hang on. If I take off my spectacles, it will work again. Let me try. Is it working? Yeah, okay. Yeah, it's weird as hell. Yeah. The spectacles is messing with the facial recognition. I'm using laptop. I only have laptop. I don't have a PC. I don't have a, you know. Why is this part broken? Yeah, exactly. There's a HDMI cable. There's a HDMI port, so I can just connect it to my monitor. Okay. Yeah, it's definitely broken. Let me try something. Okay. Okay, if I do that, it works. If I force it, then okay, sure. So that means something is wrong with this. Player.y minus 40. Player.y minus 40. Room height minus. This is like the most boring problem to get stuck on. Because it's supposed to be easy, but somehow I cannot see it. Why? Goes all the way up here. Why does it go all the way up there? Okay, let me try this. Show debug message. Okay. Seven, 10. The higher it is, the smaller. Oh. Oh. What am I supposed? Wait, does it matter if I? What? No, right? Let me try. Oh god, bloody damn it. Uh, it's because it's because of the order in which I put the value here, right? Because I put the bigger value first, it's supposed to be the smaller value first. Oh my bloody god, oh my bloody god. Okay, I think it's working. But let me test it again. I still don't really like the camera movement. I think it's not nice. Alright, okay, camera movement time. Okay, maybe it's okay. Maybe it's not that bad. Maybe it's not that bad. What do you think? What do you think of the camera? I guess it should be okay. Okay, I'm done. I'm done. Implementation has already been done for a long time, but I got stuck at this line for of all things. My goodness. My goodness, I can't believe it. Okay, delete this. Okay, I think it's about time I do a recap, and then I can go and have a break and then sleep. It's 2:30 a.m. Okay, so I'm at a point where I can start making level, right? I have the camera done, I have the various mechanic done, I have the camera shaking that I just put in, and I have level transition done. So there we go, like that. Yeah, right, camera movement is here. So, yep. So what I'm going to do is I will go back to working on Project Dungeon. Then, you know, during my free time, I will just be making levels and hopefully implement like one or two minor mechanics. And that's it. Let me play it one more time, just to see if it feels good. Transition out, transition in. Okay, I like that. Yeah, I like that. Okay. Okay. That's it. Well, thanks for hanging around, man. It's nice to have someone to offer ideas, right, while I'm developing. So that's nice. So thanks for hanging out, and I think I will end. I will go and have a break. See you around. Okay, bye bye.